Hi everyone, for this question, they ask us to determine the equation of the plane. That, in the situation, the plane passed through the point 205, 201, and the plane is perpendicular to another plane which is x plus 3y minus z minus 7 equals to 0. So as we need to find equation of the plane, means we need to find out the formula of the plane, which is r dot n equals to a dot n. So what we need here is we need to identify what is the point inside the plane, which is represented by the vector a here. What is your normal vector, which is represented by the n here. So for this plane, so just imagine the plane that you want to find is on your table, is a surface on your table. Then your plane here is passed through 2 points. So you're having a point of 205. So let's say this is point A, this is point B. And the situation of perpendicular to another plane. Perpendicular to another plane means this plane is stand on. You will stand on perpendicularly to this plane. X plus 3y minus z minus 7 equals to 0. So from this plane equation, we can notice out what is the normal from the plane. As we can see, we have 1x, 3y, negative z, means this plane having the normal of 1, 3, negative 1. So this plane having the normal, what's mean by normal? Normal is a vector that come up perpendicularly from the plane. So this is normal vector with 1, 3, negative 1. So after understanding our situations here, we come back to our equation of the plane, as we need a position vector where the point which is lie inside this plane. So we can choose either the point A or either the point B. So which is up, whether OA or OB. So we can choose either one. For the normal, refer to the plane that you want here. We need to find the normal, means a vector that can come up from this plane perpendicularly. So this is the normal that we need to find out. So how to find this normal? As we can see inside this plane, from A and B, we can find out a vector from B to A. As we already have this normal direction, so indirectly, we also having a normal here, which is same. So no matter the vector come up from here or from here or come up from down here, so it also the normal for this plane. To get the normal come up from the plane that we want, so we need to do two vector in cross product so that we can bring out the normal that we want come from the plane. So we can see it, we can find it from vector B to A, and then we using the direction of the normal come up from this plane. So when we're doing cross, we can form out a normal from this plane. So normal from this plane, we need BA cross with the normal that we obtain from the given plane here. So to find BA is equals to BO plus OA. As we have coordinate here, means the coordinate A will having position vector A, which is 205. For coordinate B, we are having position vector B, which is 201. So to get BO and OB, it is in opposite direction, so we have negative vector. So BA is equals to 4K. So we have in here. Then the normal that we obtain is 1, 3, negative 1. So to find the normal that we want, it will be equals to BA cross with the n given here. So I name it as N1, so that we're not confusing N1. So to find cross product, we need determinant of 3 by 3. So for the first BA, we enter it as the vector of 0, 0, 4. So the second vector will be the N1 provided by this perpendicular plane. Then we're going to do our minor on 1 A11 minus minus 12 A12 and minus 13 A13. So minus row 1, column 1. Remaining element 0, 4, 3, negative 1. So copy and paste here. Then this one 0, 3, go back to the last. Then vertically we see under the I here will be our 0, 1. To simplify this minor, we're going to use AD minus BC, AD minus BC, AD minus BC. So finally, we have our point and then we have our normal. Then we can answer the equation of the plane, which is the formula r dot n equals to a dot n. R will be our x, y, z factor, and as we found here is negative 12, 4, 0 equals to point. We can take point A or point B, so either one I can put point A 205 and then with normal again. So perform this dot product x times with x, negative 12x, y times with y, we have 4y, 0 times with z, we have 0. Then for the right hand side, x times with x, we have negative 24, 0 times with 0, then 5 times with 0, we get 0. Lastly, our equations here, we can see it is in negative and it is in even number coefficient. So we simplify our equation here by dividing it with negative 4. So lastly, this is our equation of the plane in Cartesian form. Thank you for watching.